ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
ಸರ್
ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್
ಸರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ.
ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ನೀವು. ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದೇನು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಓಪನ್
ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಎದ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಎದ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ?
ದೇವ್ರು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್.
B0013 ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಫೋಟೋ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಸಾರಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಫೋಟೋ ಇದೆ, ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಏನಂತೀರಾ? ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕಪ್ಪ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ಯಾ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಐದರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲವರು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕೂಡ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವ್ರು ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಹೌ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಐದರ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್
ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
The today's class is especially for in the game of badminton, shuttle badminton. In previous classes, you already know regarding the game like Coco, basketball, football, and yoga classes also. Again, the most important the event in physical education is a part of physical education. The game like badminton, shuttle badminton. In previous class also, the students you supposed to know the game history of the game beginning, then how to prepare for the play. Number 3, the measurements of the playing arena, the court, then basic skills. Then lastly, you're supposed to know the rules and regulations of the game. This is the most 5 important points you're supposed to know in the game of badminton. Here, the beginning, the badminton gets name from the badminton house. Now we call it as a shuttle badminton. Before that, the name from badminton house in England in 1892 and 93, the game was introduced in England. Again, the purpose, who initiated the game actually, you supposed to know. The British Army officers started in India the game in 1860. The British Army officers initiated in India the game in 1860. Again, the International Badminton Federation was formed in 1934. The International Badminton Federation was formed in 1934. Presently, we call as a Badminton World Federation. Presently, we call the Badminton World Federation. In 1940, the All India Badminton Association was formed. In 1940, All India Badminton Association was formed. Again, the game was introduced in Olympic sports in 1992 at Barcelona. The game was introduced in Olympics in 1992 at Barcelona Olympics Games. Again, the World Men Team Championship in 1948. The World Men Team Championship in 1948. Again, mixed doubles. There will be men and women. Mixed doubles was introduced at 1996 Games. Mixed doubles was introduced at 1996 Games. Especially the game was played only in indoor game. Because of the light and wind effective purpose, they are supposed to play the game in the indoor. Now they are in the outdoor, so they are playing. Okay, na? The most important is to avoid wind and light purpose they are using for, especially in indoor game. Again, you supposed to know preparation of the play. How prepare for the play. First point is conditions. Just you can go for the warm-up. There will be two types, general warm-up and specific warm-up conditions you supposed to know. Number two, the knowledge about the grip. How to hold the grip. How to hold the racket. There will be either forehand or backhand. You're supposed to know. Then footwork. This is the most important point is footwork. Footwork. Then basic stance. Basic stance. Then high-hand coordination. High-hand and coordination. Then timing is also most important. Then the rhythm also most important. These are the most important part is supposed to prepare before the play. How to prepare for the game. This is the most important part. Again, you're supposed to know the dimensions of the playing arena. Dimensions of the court. How it is. The court is a rectangle piece of land. Like the volleyball court, then coco court, then basketball court. Similar to this game, this is also a rectangle shape, the badminton court. Again, the dimensions of the court is 20 feet by 44 feet. 20 feet by 44 feet. The length is 44, width is 20 feet. Again, the post height, both sides, post height, it is 1.55 meters from the surface of the court. 1.55 meters, both sides. Then center is it is 1.52 meters. The height of the net in center is 1.52 meters. Then the net color, it is a dark color. They are using the shuttle net, it is a dark color. The mesh dimension is 15 centimeters to 20 centimeters. That each boxes is mesh dimensions. It is 15 to 20 centimeters. Again, the length, the net length of the badminton, it is 6.1 meters. 6.1 meters length. Width is 0.76. 0.76 meters. Again, shuttle, it is 16 feathers fixed base. They are supposed to 16 feathers, it is fixed to base and fix martare. Again, the length of the shuttle, it is 62 to 70 mm. 62 to 70 mm. Then weight of the shuttlecock, it is 4.74 to 5.5 grams. The weight of the cock is 4.74 to 5.50 grams. Again, the racket, the racket is it is 60 to 70 already been informed. Again, weight. Then you supposed to know flooring. The flooring, the court flooring, either you can go for wooden or synthetic. They are using either synthetic, either wooden court. Now the international competition, they go for the synthetic mat only. Either they are using competition purpose, both wooden and synthetic. Again, the most important point in the basic skills. After knowing the measurements of the playing arena, you supposed to know basic skills. What are the basic skills? Comes under the game of shuttle badminton. Number one, it is a grip. Either backhand or forehand. You're supposed to know how to hold the racket. Then stance. This is a movement. either attacking stance, either defensive stance. Either you're supposed to go for attack, either go for defense. These will be stance of the shuttle. Now, last one is net stance, near to the net. Next, these is the stance of the skills. Again, footwork. This is the most important the game of the shuttle badminton. They're forward, backward, whatever. You're supposed to move. Either backward, forward, sideways. You're supposed to 2-3 steps. Again, the most, again, one more skill is services. Either while playing, you're supposed to know high serve, low serve, and flick serve. These are the 3 types of services. You're supposed to go for service. Then smash. This is the most important in the game of shuttle. While you are using smash, in volleyball, similar to here also you are using smash. Either you can go forehand smash, either backhand smash, either jumping smash. These are 3 types of smashes. Again, drop shot, just near to the net. You're supposed to clear the shuttle. This is the basic skills of the game of shuttle badminton. The last one is rules or regulations. There we call as a laws. What are the laws of the game? You're supposed to know. The first one is the court. How the court, either it is synthetic, either wooden, does the length of the court, the width of the court, whatever. Then shuttle also. The weight of the shuttle, how they are prepared, you're supposed to know. Then testing shuttle for the speed. Before the starting the game, the players suppose they go for test the speed, either whatever may be. Then a racket. There will be how to hold the racket. There will be, you're supposed to know. Again, equipments relating to the particular game, you're supposed to know. Then toss, when they are using tosses, the beginning of the play. Then scoring, this is the most important. How you will get the score while playing it. Then change of the ends, court changes. Then service, either singles, either doubles, service court errors. Then falls, lets, not in play, continuous play, misconduct, then official appeals. These are all the laws of the game of shuttle badminton. These you're supposed to know the game in shuttle badminton. Regarding to the game, the Suprabha Madam will explain the detailed information later. Again, so students, again one more thing is regarding to shuttle badminton today's class. Again, we're supposed to know the event like athletics. As part of physical education, you're supposed to know the track and field events. The first one is track events. How they are using, when it was started, the what purposes they are starting, you are supposed to know. Student, in athletics, there will be 2 types. One is track events, number 2 is field events. First, you are supposed to know the track and field events is formed in ancient Olympic Games in 77 BC. In ancient Olympic Games in 77 BC, it is started. Again, the modern Olympics Games in 1896. The modern Olympic Games in 1896. Initiated by Coubertin. Again, the 5 track and field events, they are started for only for women in athletics, started in 1928 in Summer Olympics. In Summer Olympics game, they are started for women section only for 5 track and field events in 1928. Again, especially the British Raj in 1946 formed Athletic Federation in India. British Raj 1946 is formed Athletic Federation in India. In 20th century, the both events, track and field events, they are introduced for both men and women in 20th century. Again, the World Athletic Federation was formed. Around 200 nations became the memberships. The World Athletic Federation was formed around more than 200 nations became the membership. The Olympic Games are organized after every 4 years. The Olympic Games are organized after every 4 years. This is the most important point. You're supposed to know our students. Again, the World Athletics. The World Athletics. In 1912, found the World Athletic started in Sweden. 1912, World Athletics begins in Scotland, in Sweden. The international governing body for the sports of athletics, the international governing body for the sports of athletics is covering with track and field events, cross country, running, road race walking, then mountain running, then ultra running. These are the events they are supposed to conducted in the event of athletics. Again, you are supposed to know the few points in athletics. Olympic rings, what it means, the symbol of Olympics, rings. Known as Olympic rings, here only 5 consists of continent, only 5 represent continents like Africa, America, Asia, Australia, and Europe. These are the 5 continents rings. They represent unity of 5 inhabited continents. 5 inhabited 5 continents. Number 1 is Africa, America, Asia, Australia, and Europe. Again, there will be colors. What are the colors in the white flag? Is what are the colors? What is the motto of this one? The motto is, the main point is motto is faster, higher, and stronger. Faster, higher, and stronger. This is the motto. Again, different colors. There will be 5 colors. Number 1 is black. Sorry. Number 1 is blue. Number 1 is blue. Number 2, yellow. Number 3, black. Number 4, green. Last one is red colors. These colors are their national flag colors. They are national flag colors. Again, you are supposed to know what are all the track events, what are all the field events. You are supposed to know in athletics. First one is there will be sprint events. What are all the sprint events? What are the mid distance race? What are the long distance races? You are supposed to know in track events. Number 1, you are supposed to know. First one is sprint. 100 meters, 200 meters, 400. These are the sprint events, along with 4 into 400 meters relay and 4 into 100 meters relay. These are the sprint runners. Again, the middle distance runner is 800 and 1500. Middle distance runners, it is 800 and 1500. Again, you're supposed to know long distance races. 3000, 5000, 10,000. Again, walking race, either 20 kilometers or 50 kilometers. The last one is marathon. Marathon consists of more than 42.195 kilometers distance. This is a long distance race in athletics. These are all the track events. Again, you're supposed to know field events. Here there will be 3 categories. One is jumping and throwing events. What are all the jumping is, what are all the throwing events? First, you're supposed to know what are the jumping events here. First one is long jump, high jump, triple jump. These are all the jumping events. Next, we can go for throwing events. What are the throwing events? Shot put, discus, hammer, javelin, and pole vault. These are all the throwing events. Number 1 is shot put, discus, hammer, javelin. These are the throwing events. Again, pole vault also, it is a jumping event. Jumping events. Students, again, you are supposed to know, first one is the long jump arena. Long jump, that we call as a long jump feat. Number 1 is the length of the long jump arena. It is 7 to 9 meters. Landing area idella. It is 7 to 9 meters length. Again, width is 2.75 to 3 meters. width is 2.5 to 3 meters. Again, the runway, it is maximum of 40 meters. Runway is maximum 40 meters. Then the landing area will fill it with sand because of injury. To avoid the injuries, they are supposed to use sand. Again, you first know, here we are using in long jump, there will be take-off board. While running, you are supposed to take the jump on take-off board. The length of take-off board is 1.22 meters. The length of the take-off board is 1.22 meters. Again, width, it is 20 centimeters. Depth, 10 centimeters. Length is 1.22. Width is 20 centimeters. Depth is 10 centimeters. All lanes, marking lanes, it is 5 centimeters. All the lanes. Either runway, you're using 1.22 meters width. We are using here only take-off board. Similar to triple jump also. Similar to triple jump. Just here only, the difference is the board will be fixed either for men's section, women's section, or women's section, which is near to the edge of the landing area, up to 9 meters for women's section, 13 meters for the men's section for triple jump. Again, the fit, everything is the same. Next one is high jump pit. High jump pit, either we call as a high jump mat. The landing area, 5 into 3 into 1 meters. 5 into 3 into 1 meters, called as a bed. 5 into 3 into 1 meters. Again, we are using here operators, we call as a crossbar. The length of the crossbar is 4.240 meters. The length of the crossbar is 4.240 meters. Again, both sides in crossbars, then operators we are using. Again, the circle they are using for runway. While taking jumping, here there will be using 3 types. One is scissor and one is Plasbury. They are using 3 types of jumping. Again, shot put. Just you can go for the sector, either circle. Here we are using stop board. In long jump, we are using take-off board, but here we are using stop board. Again, the stop board length, it is 1.21 to 1.22 meters likewise in take-off board in long jump. Again, the radius, either diagram of the circle, either we call it as sector for shot put sector. Inside diameter is 2.135 meters. Inside diameter. Again, the radius is 1.067 meters. Inside diameter, it is 2.135. There will be half of the radius. It is 1.067 meters. Again, both lanes, side lanes, sector lanes, landing area lanes, it is more than 20 meters extension of both sides. Again, both sides, sidewards, the extension length, it is 0.75 meters. Again, there will be the shot put. They are using the lens marking also 5 again. Same 5 centimeters, all the lens is supposed to use. Again, the most important track events. Discus. It is similar to hammer throw and discus are both are same. The radius and inside diameter, it is 2.5 meters. Again, inside circle radius, it is 1.25 meters. In both sides, 0.75, 0.5. Again, sector angle is 34.92 degree angle. The sector is the landing sector, it is 34.92 degree angle. The extension of both the lines, it is more than maximum of 40 meters, both sides. You can go for marking for practice purpose, either 15 meters, 20 meters, or 25, whatever it will be. The maximum is 40 meters, you can go for extension. Again, similar to hammer also, same sector they are using. Then you are supposed to know here the weight of the shot put, weight of the javelin, and weight of the discus is supposed to know. Number one is shot put. For women's section, it is 4 kgs. For men's section, it is 7.2 kgs weight. Shot put weight. It is men's section, it is 7.2 kgs. Women's section for 4 kg weight of the shot put. Again, discus. For men's section, it is 2 kg. For women's section, it is 1 kg. The weight of the discus. Again, hammer also, it is similar to shot put. Same, ditto. For men's section, it is 7.26 kgs. For women's section, it is 4 kgs. Hammer also. Again, javelin, the length, the weight of the javelin. For women's section, it is 600 grams. 600 grams of the weight of the javelin is supposed to use for women's section. For men's section, it is 800 grams. 800 grams weight. Again, the length of the javelin for the men's section, it is 2.7 meters. The length of the javelin for men's section is 2.75 meters. For women's section, it is 2.3 meters length. Again, the pole vault. These are the points we supposed to know. Again, the standard track, standard athletic track. There will be 8 lanes of, and each lane just consists of 1.22 to 1.25 meters. Each lane width. We call as a standard track. They're supposed to 8 standard lanes. Then we call it a standard track. You're supposed to know. The standard track is compulsory 8 lanes. Each lane width is 1.22 to 1.25. 1.25. Students, again, the last points in sprint, there will be 100, 200, 400 meters. Other hurdles, 110 meters hurdles or 100 meters hurdles. These are the sprint events. Again, they are using for track events, the running events, they are supposed to use starting blocks that they are using. Again, the middle distance races are 800 and 1,500. Then long distance races, they are 3,000, 5,000 and 10,000 races. We call as a long distance races. So few points comes under the track and field event. These points you're supposed to know. There will be examinations at the end of the semester. You are supposed to attend what are the questions you are given by the teacher or whoever you're supposed to answer in the examination. Students, today's class, both one is shuttle badminton, then track and field events. You're supposed to know the supervisor madam explaining detailed information given by all the students along with the slides. Carefully listen and observe the points. What are the information given by supervisor madam? Madam, just you can carry.
Thank you. Good morning to all.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Response is very low.
Hey, belagge aitu. It is 10 o'clock. You should be so fresh and awake alva. Nidde ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ರಾತ್ರಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಅಪ್ ಟು 2 ಗಂಟೆ 3 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ. No, it is not a sem break. It is lifelong break.
ಎದ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ?
Yes ma'am, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ
ನಾನು ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎದ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ರೆಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
ನಂಗೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಜನದ ಮಾತ್ರ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದ್ 3 ಹುಡುಗಿರೋ ಒಂದೋ ಇಬ್ರು ಹುಡುಗರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 92 members.
ಹುಡುಗಿ ಒಬ್ಬನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದೆ. I don't know which that lady. ಯಾರಮ್ಮದು? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಗೌತಮಿ ಸರ್.
ಗೌತಮಿ. ಓಕೆ.
ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದವರೆಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಹುಡುಗಿರಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಗರಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಆಲ್? ಹಲೋ.
ಲಿಸನಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಲಿಸನ್ ಗುಡ್. ಇದು ಒಂದು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಅಥ್ಲೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಲಾ ಸರ್?
ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 20 minutes ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲಿಸನ್.
ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಫ್ಎಂ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 1 minute ಚಾನ್ಸ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 1 minute ಕೊಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. Okay. So boys and girls, sir has already started with you were running short of one class, aita, because last week Ramzan day you had a holiday. So we did not conduct classes, and that is why at the holiday ididrinda one class missing ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ one class back idri. But today what we thought, we'll finish both the previous one, that is badminton and athletics, because from next class you will have a different I think you will have practical yoga classes. Adrinda we thought we will continue both today, that is we'll finish both badminton and athletics. I understand it will be difficult or confusing for you, but I will not go very much in detail. Sir has told you all the brief points. We will just see what are the important points which you have to know for your exams, aita, or something interesting we will keep looking at. I just have 20 minutes, so I'll have to cover both athletics and badminton. Okay, so history alli athletics we will continue with athletics, because sir is lastly start ಮಾಡಿದ athletics, so we will continue with athletics. So 776 BC, this is important. 776 BC alli ancient Olympic games was held in Greece. 776 BC ancient Olympic games was held. Iga athletics, how did athletics start? Andre there is no set of record which says athletics started at this time. See, when the evolution of man began, so when old stone age was there, the man started to live in the in a environment where he was scared, where he was confused. ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಹಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಏನು ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೊಚ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಡಿಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಓಡಬೇಕು, how to cross the river. So all these, it started coming into his mind, and he started finding out ways. How will I move? I will walk and go to such a far place, and I will go fetch some water. I will go swim, I will cross the river, and I will reach that side of the river. I will, if a tiger is coming or if a predator is coming, I will throw stones at it. Or if an animal is coming to scare me, I will throw stones and scare at it. I will use, so all these, I will use the stick to throw at it so that it will run away. So ee taraddella, to protect the man, to protect himself, and to use the available resources to go from one place to another. Avunalli enen available ide, he has legs to walk, he has hands and legs to swim across. So all these he started to explore, and he started doing these activities. So that is when athletics started. Okay, so but ancient Olympic games, sports anta heli bandaga, ancient Olympic Games started in 776 BC. This is very important. After that, there is one more important stage wherein it was 1896, where modern Olympic Games was started in Greece. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಸಿ, ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಸ್, oneness, so unity in diversity. Sports is a symbol of team spirit, ide harmony, integration, ivella irodrinda, that is why sports is also considered in lot of the other general examinations point of view. Only you will have lot of questions based on sports. So history of sports ige bandaga you will have this Olympic Games questions also. So modern Olympic Games started in 1896. Who started it? It was started under the leadership of Pere de Coubertin. Okay, this is very important. In this slide, 776 BC, ancient Olympic Games is very important. 1896, modern Olympic Games at Greece. And Pere de Coubertin, he initiated this modern Olympic Games. So these three are very important points which is to be known. And the next is, first, women were not allowed into the Olympic stadium. Only men were allowed to run, men were allowed to jump. Avrige matra competition irtiddu, but women did not have competition, and they were not allowed also to participate. But later on what happened, in introduction of 5 track and field events for women, 1922 only, slowly it started. Okay, so women were allowed to do sports. After that, gradually both men and women were given equal importance in sports. That is around the second half of 20th century, second half only, men and women both were given equal importance to participate in sports. That is, track and field events was held. ಬರೇ track and field ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮೆನ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬಂತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ 20th century. And 200 nations have become member for World Athletic Federation. Sir was telling you, it is the world governing body. We come under World Athletics Federation. Okay. So, okay, it started in 17 July 1912. World Athletics started in 17 July 1912 in Sweden. But ಮೊದಲು ಅದನ್ನ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅಥ್ಲೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅಮೆಚೂರ್ ಅಥ್ಲೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೆಡರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಮೊನ್ನೆವರೆಗೂ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರು. 2019 ಇಂದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅಥ್ಲೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 4 years. ನಿಮ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕಪ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹೆಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 4 years. And next, what does athletics cover? Athletics ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, it includes track and field. Sir has told you what is track events, which are the field events. So track and field events include ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then the next is cross country running. Cross country running ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಡ್ಡಗಾಡು ಓಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಕೇಳಿದೀರಾ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್? ಗುಡ್ಡಗಾಡು ಓಟದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ.
Yes, ma'am.
ಬಾಯ್ಸ್,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಜೋಶಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಜೋಶ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ.
Yes, ma'am.
ಹಂಗಂತ ಕೂಗಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದಪ್ಪ.
ರವಿ ಸಿದ್ದೇಶ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ BBMP ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾರ ನಿನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮಗೂ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ನೆಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಕವರಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಡ್ಡಗಾಡು ಓಟದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ. ದೆನ್ ರೋಡ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್, ರೋಡ್ ರೇಸಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೋಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ, ಆ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೋಡ್ ರೇಸಸ್ ನಡೀತಾರೆ. GKVK ನಲ್ಲೂ ಸುಮಾರು ರೋಡ್ ರೇಸಸ್ ನಡೆದಿದೆ ಮೊದಲು. ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ರೇಸ್ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ರೇಸ್. ಈಗ 20 kilometers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, 50 kilometers ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ರೇಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರು, ಅದನ್ನ ರೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ running, that is completely mountain biking antaralla, almost mountain terrain alle you have to run. And the next one is ultra running is 50 kilometers and above, 100 kilometers, 120 kilometers they run. Okay, these are all new trending events ivaga. So all these events are included in the athletics. And this is one of the most important questions which will come in your competitive exams, PSI exams, ಬೇರೆ competitive exams ಅಲ್ಲಿ Olympic ring ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. As I already told you, Olympic symbol ಏನಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ sports represents peace, oneness, unity in diversity, harmony, integration, team spirit. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ there are 5 rings here. So 5 rings each ring represents each continent: Africa, America, Asia, Australia. So sir has told you certain colors are there: blue, yellow, black, green and red. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲಾ ಕಲರ್ಸು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೋ ಆ ನೇಷನ್ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. there is one or the other color of this, whichever I told you, 5 colors in all the nations. Each nation alli one or the other color of this flag is there. That is why they have chosen these colors for the Olympic ring. Okay, motto of Olympics, this is also very important: CITES, RTS, FORTIES. CITES, RTS, FORTIES andre faster, higher and stronger. This is the motto of Olympic. Next yav class ide ninge gavi? Others yaradru
ಗವಿ ಇಲ್ಲವಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆಯವರು
ಅದರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್.
ಎಷ್ಟು 10:30
10:45 ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So when we come to track and field events, sir has told you 100, 200, 400 ಮೂರು ಕೂಡ, even 400 ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. 400 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 lap of the track. ಈಗ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಥ್ಲೆಟಿಕ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್, ಈಗ ನಮ್ GKVK ಇರೋ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೂಡ 400 meters. So 100, 200 and 400 meters are the 3 events which come under sprint events. Please remember this: sprint events. And 800 meters and 1500 comes under middle distance. 800 meters 2 laps, 1500 meters comes under middle distance. Then the next is 3000 meter, and there is something called as 10,000 meter also. 3000 meters and 10,000 meters also comes under long distance. Okay, and there are hurdles races. Hurdles nodidira yaradru hurdles odorna?
Yes ma'am.
See, this is the hurdles race. Okay, so there are 10 hurdles. ಈಗ ನಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಸರ್ has told you that ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಥ್ಲೆಟಿಕ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಲೇನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 8 ಲೇನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 ಲೇನ್ಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ ಲೇನು ಕೂಡ ಅದ್ರ ಬಿಡ್ತು 1.22 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರದ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ ಲೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನನ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಅದೇ ಲೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಓಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ನಮ್ ಲೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಓಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೇನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಅನ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೇನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್. ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್, ಈ ಹರ್ಡಲ್ಸ್ ರೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಹರ್ಡಲ್ಸ್ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ 10 ಹರ್ಡಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಅವ್ರು 100 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಸಿ ಟು ಇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕಂಗೆ 10 ಹರ್ಡಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 400 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಹರ್ಡಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 400 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ 10 ಹರ್ಡಲ್ ಇಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ 110 meters for men. This is because men have a very lengthier leg. Okay, our length of the leg is too much. So what will happen, while they are running, they cannot finish it within 100 meters. So that is why they've got 110 meters distance. So 110 meter hurdles for men, and the hurdle height kuda women ige one height irutte, men ige ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Height is more. Okay, so these are some of the specifications. And so ಈ hurdles races ಕೂಡ sprints ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. And the next is your 4 into 100 meter relay and 4 into 400 meter relay. Relay ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ? ರಿಲೇ ರೇಸಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಓಡ್ತಾರೆ? ರಿಲೇ ರೇಸಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಓಡ್ತಾರೆ?
I'm not understanding.
How many members run in a relay race?
4 members.
Okay, good. So 4 members run in a relay race. Relay race, I will just show you one slide. Just a minute. Okay, I will show you when it comes. I think it's next slide ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Okay, so 4 into 100 meters relay and 4 into 400 meters relay both come under sprint section. Steeple chase ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Steeple chase is an event wherein there is a hurdle, big hurdle is there. You can see this. It is a kind of hurdle. I thought that is called a steeple. ಸೊ ಓಡೋನು 3000 meter ಸ್ಟೀಪಲ್ ಚೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವನಿಗೆ 2 ಸತಿ 3 ಸತಿ ಈ ಹರ್ಡಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲ್ ಭಾಗ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗೆ ಹರ್ಡಲ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಓಡೋನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3-4 ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ he has to come and he has to cross the hurdle. Can you see the picture? This is the steeple chase running. Okay, there is a movie called Pan Singh Tomar.
Yes,
Pan Singh Tomar. This was acted. The actor is Irfan Khan. You can go watch the trailer or the movie, and it has got very beautiful running style. Adralli Irfan Khan runs. He's an athlete. So they tell in the starting on madhyadalli, because he's a dacoit in that movie, but still in between there is he will be an army man. So soldier agirtane. How he is able to bring laurels to the country. He represents country. Okay, India. He represents India, and his event will be steeple chase. First, he will be only a runner. His coach will advise him, you can do much better in steeple chase anta heli. They will put him to steeple chase. So now you please, when you're free, you please watch that movie, or else you can see some of the video clippings also. It is a very nice movie which you can understand how athletics is. And Bhag Milka Bhag also is a very good movie which says which gives lot of message for athletics. Okay, so the kelagade photo irodu, the below pictures tell about walking. See, it looks like as if they are running, but actually they are not running, they are walking. So they have certain conditions. Walk madavaga they have certain conditions, whether they can walk or they can bend their knees, and they have to again straighten their knees, but they are not supposed to jog. They can walk. Okay, they have a different style to walk. And so these are the walking races. And next comes your jumping and throwing. Nimma field events ig bandaga it comes with the okay, first we will start with long jump. Yes
ma'am, ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಜನ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅವ್ರು ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ.
ನಾನು ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಲಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರ್.
ಓಕೆ Okay, so this is the jumping event. This is Carl Lewis. Okay, Carl Lewis ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? Carl Lewis is a very good jumper. 8.91 meters ಮೊದಲು jump ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ. And there is one more person called as Mike Powell who was jumped for 8.95. So the world record is in the name of Mike Powell. Okay, so this is the time where you can see the audience behind. There are lakhs of people who have come to watch Olympic Games or World Athletics, because it was a craze at that time. Even today during the Olympic meet, you can see in athletics how many people come to cheer the player or the athlete. So these are the long jump officials sitting. Sir has told ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಟೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಟೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಟೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪವರ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡೂ ಕೈಗಳು ಎರಡೂ ಕಾಲ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಇನ್ ಅ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಎಟ್ ಅ longer distance. So yawaga when you fall and when you land on the sand pit, the first part of your body which touches the ground, your measurement starts from that part. If you touch your hand first to the sand pit, then from there your measurement will be taken. If you touch your hip, if you go fall on your hip, then from the hip wherever you have nearest to the board yav part touch agidyo adanna avaru measurement ge consider ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, so the next is your triple jump. So what is triple jump? Hop, step and jump. This is a very interesting event. There are 3 steps. Okay, one you hop kuntadu. So there is 13 meter board. Long jump alli 1.5 meter, 1 meter, 2 meter ge board irutte. 1ರಿಂದ 2 meter, 1ರಿಂದ 1.5 meter ಒಳಗೆ. But triple jump alli 13 meters ge board irutte men ge. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಅದೇ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಜಂಪಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಹಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫ್ರೀ, ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಗೂಗಲ್, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 30 minutes just to see how is jumping done, how is running, Usain Bolt ಹೇಗೆ ಓಡ್ತಾನೆ, just see some of the video clippings. Okay, this is the high jump. This is the high jump event. See, both of them are crossing the crossbar. They are crossing over the crossbar. They are lifting one hand up. They are taking off on one leg, and they are crossing their body. The whole body is crossing the bar, and they will go fall on the bed. So this is high jump event. This is a wonderful event. Ee event alli 2 techniques use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. One is scissor, ಕತ್ರಿ ಜಂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಕತ್ರಿ ಜಂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಸರ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ಜಂಪ್. ಬಟ್ ಫ್ಲಾಸ್ಬೆರಿ ಇವ್ರುಗಳು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ಲಾಸ್ಬೆರಿ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ಲಾಸ್ಬೆರಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್. ಸೊ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ಲಾಸ್ಬೆರಿ ಜಂಪ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಫ್ಲಾಸ್ಬೆರಿ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. So high jump, and next comes your pole vault. Sir has told this is also one of the field event, jumping event. On pole vault andre it is a pole, he carries a fiber pole, he runs with the fiber pole. There is a small pit, allon sanna pit irutte, adrolagade plant ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You can see that person holding both the hands with the help of the pole. He is trying to plant the pole inside, and then he is lifting his body up, and after that he will extend his body so high that he will go and cross the bar, and he will clear the jump. So when he falls on the bed, the jump is counted. Henge counted andre avun bed mele beelokinta aache, avun bed inda aache barakinta munche bar bidre kelagade, that is considered as foul. Avun bed inda aache band mele bar bidre, it is considered as good. Okay, so this is the pole vault jump. You see the picture, you will understand what I'm talking about. Okay, next is your shot put. Shot put is a throwing event. Sir helidru 7.62 kg, 4 kgs for women. So how they throw shot put? There is a ring. So there is a stop board. Ili red and blue hakonidanalla, avun shot itkonidani. He is holding the shot. You can see somewhere there is a semicircle board which is there near that yellow on the ground. So that is called as the stop board. What it does is it will restrict the athlete who is throwing until that region. After that, you cannot go. You cannot touch the, you cannot jump over the ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದಿರೋದು ಫೌಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್, that means it is considered as foul. So after throwing the shot, then you can come back of the ring behind, but until your shot is released and the shot falls on the ground, you should not run over the stop board. Okay, so he will be holding the shot behind the ear, below the ear, and then he will throw. While throwing, he will make lot of power ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, complete breath use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ನಿಮ್ದು lung capacity use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು they will throw. After throwing, they will come back. So where the shot falls, there is a sector. Sir told you during when I showed the slide of shot put, he explained to you what is the sector. The two lines, extended lines, the 20 meter minimum antidella, those two extended lines are the boundaries where the shot can fall. Inside that, if it falls, it is counted. Outside that, if it falls, then it is foul. Okay, that is shot put. This is discus throw. Chakra eseta, discus throw. So you will be having 1 kg for women, 2 kg for men. Grip of your hand. You use your fingers for the grip. How to hold the disc, and while you hold the disc, you have to rotate it, your body, and you should take a very good grip of the disc, and you should throw the disc in such a way that there is the technique used is rotation method. Rotation method is used for throwing the disc. So these are the pictures. You can understand 180 degree vargu extend agate hands and both the hands. So they will take a very nice swing and they will throw. ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ತಗೋತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಸಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಜಾವ್ಲಿನ್ ಥ್ರೋ. ಜಾವ್ಲಿನ್ ಥ್ರೋ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 600 to 800 grams ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಹಿಟ್ಕೋತಾರೆ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರಿಪ್ ಟು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅದ್ರದ್ದೇ ಆದಂತ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಪ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ. ಅಥ್ಲೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಂತೂ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಅಥ್ಲೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಮೆನಿ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈಚ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್, ಈಚ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ ಗ್ರಿಪ್, ಈಚ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ practice methods and specific warm up. Okay, so he is holding the javelin to his shoulder level. He will, can you see the below picture? That is Neeraj Chopra, world record, junior world record. Okay, Indian athlete who's done a world record in javelin in junior athletics. His name is Neeraj Chopra. He is a very good contestant for the Olympics this time to represent India. People are having a lot of expectation. Okay, so this is Neeraj Chopra. So he will run, he's running with the javelin below. Then while after running, the first picture you can see, he is trying to throw the javelin. Full takeoff tagondu arch ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹಿಂದೆ, arch ಮಾಡಿ then he will throw. This second picture, which is blue and white jersey, that person is throwing. So you can see how they are throwing. So how they hold, how they take a takeoff, and the last one is how they throw. So this is the javelin. ಆ ಜಾವ್ಲಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಟಿಪ್, ಒಂದು ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟಿಪ್, ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಟೇಲ್. ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸಿ ಹೂ ಇಸ್, ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಗವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಮರ್ ಥ್ರೋ. ಹ್ಯಾಮರ್ ಥ್ರೋ, sir has told, that is also like one of the technique skill like discus throw. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಜ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೇಜ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನೀವು ಹ್ಯಾಮರ್ ಇಸ್ 4 kg weight, 8 kg weight ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಹ್ಯಾಮರ್ ಯಾರ ತಲೆಗೂ ಹೊಡಿಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಸಿವಾಗ ಬೈ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಆನ್ ಎನಿಬಡೀಸ್ ಹೆಡ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕೇಜ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದಿ ಹ್ಯಾಮರ್ ಥ್ರೋ. ಸೊ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಹ್ಯಾಮರ್. It is connected with the chain. So they will rotate with the hammer and then they will release the hammer high at 65 degree angle. Okay, so this is the hammer throw. And you can see PT Usha here. She missed the Olympic medal with 0.01 seconds at Los Angeles 1984. So the importance of 0.01 seconds is known better to PT Usha. She lost an Olympic medal by just 0.01 seconds. Okay, she is called as the sprint queen of India. This is Milkha Singh. He was also known as Flying Sikh. Okay, Milkha Singh, 400 meter runner. Avunu kuda ashte, he also has ran the Olympic medal ರೇಸ್ ರನ್ ಅದೇ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಅದೇ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಸೆಮಿಫೈನಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಿದ್ದ. ಬಟ್ he did not get selected for the he did not run well in the finals. Okay, next is Anju Bobby George. She is the first athlete to secure bronze medal in World Athletics Championship. Okay, her distance 6.7 meters still stays in the record list of India, national record. 6.70 meters, Anju Bobby George. So this is Neeraj Chopra I was talking about. Javelin thrower. Okay, world record. Who is this? Ayo. Oh, ಹೆಸರಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, this is Hima Das. Hima Dasiಗೆ DSP ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ಎಂತ
ma'am.
ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ? Hima Das has been appointed as DSP, Assam Police. She also has done very well in the field of athletics. This is Murali Sri Shankar. He is one of the newly added long jumper into World Athletics Ivaga. He is qualified for Tokyo Olympics. Murali Sri Shankar. National record madidana avanu. So his name is Murali Sri Shankar. Okay, so all these are athletes who are bringing lot of name to the country. So and about badminton, if you want me to continue badminton, I think it is better. Sir has already told you all the just a second. Sir has already told you all the basic skills agli athava what is main thing which is required in badminton is told you. So we will just brush up. You have seen the courts, synthetic court. This is Olympic Games court. This is the practice court on top. Light beku, sufficient light beku. Aadakke singles, doubles, mixed doubles aadtare badminton alli. Okay, so laws of badminton, there are too many laws. You need not worry too much. Court ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಶಟಲ್ ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಶಟಲ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಸ್ಲೋ ಇದೆಯಾ, ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ, ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ, ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ರಾಕೆಟ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ ನಮ್ ಫೆಡರೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಟಾಸ್ ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಟಾಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಟಾಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕೋರಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 21 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಶಟಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಮಿಂಟನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 21 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಗೇಮ್ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. 3 ಸೆಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಒಂದ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಸೆಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೇಮ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗೇಮ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಗೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ 20 ಆಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 2 ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ 20-20 ಬಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ವಾಲಿಬಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕೋರಿಂಗ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಲಿಬಾಲ್ ಸ್ಕೋರಿಂಗ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಶಟಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 20 ಈಕ್ವಲ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. But when it comes to, if it keeps continuing after 29th ವರೆಗೂ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆದ್ರೆ, the first player who scores 30 points will be considered as the winner. Adakkin it will not extend up beyond that. Okay, so 29 is the last. When you get 29 each, the first person who scores 30 will be given the winner. You can watch Saina movie. Boys and girls, you can watch Saina. Kelistidya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Saina movie is have you watched, girls? Have you watched?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Girls, have you watched Saina movie?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Saina Nehwal was the one person who started more participation of women in the country in sports. Because of her, lot of girls started participating in sports in India. Please remember this. She was the one person who stands responsible for getting more of women, more of girls into the sports fraternity. Okay, you please watch that movie. Nimಗೊಂದು fair idea ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಗಿದೆ matches ಅಂತ. So sir has told you about the skills. This is the how to hold the grip, forehand and backhand. You will only know once you practice in the offline classes. This is how to stand, position. This is the footwork, front and back and right and left. Okay. These are the serves. High serve ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೇಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸರ್ವ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬೌವ್ ದಿ ನೆಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಲೋ ಸರ್ವ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮ್ಯಾಶ್. ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? PV Sindhu? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, this is PV Sindhu. Sorry, Nane helbitte. Sorry. Okay, so the next one is the drop shot. Drop shot is just standing behind the net and
Ma'am.
giving a shot. Heli.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay. Bitte. Finish. Okay, so
Okay,
these
ma'am.
are the Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan winners. Okay, sir. One nimsha, Gavi, just 2 minutes. Okay, sir will speak to you. Sir.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅದು?
ಆಯ್ತು.
Students, once notification for all the students. Next class onwards there will be yoga classes because of we are celebrating an International Yoga Day on 21st June next month. Before that, all the students they can go for practice some of the exercise regarding to yogasana. Again, there will be the function either in college, university. ಅಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಈಗಿನ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಇಂದ ಯು ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತವೆ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯೋಗ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
21st ಜೂನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಹೇಳಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
Before that, you are supposed to attend the 3 classes, maximum 3 classes.
Gavi, mat ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಯೋಗ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್.
You supposed to use a mat.
ಯಾವುದೇ ತರವಾದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Flooring mat.
ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಲಾತ್, ಟವಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಪ್ಪದ್ದು.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
And they should be ready.
ಯಾರು ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
They should be ready to do yoga. Okay.
On the
Okay,
day of
ma'am.
21st June.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay. Any other information I will text you.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
Okay.
ಕಳ್ಸು.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Sir,
Okay, ma'am.
thank you.
Okay.